I want to show you something almost nobody thinks about. Look at the phone in your hand, your car, the fighter jets that defend your country. All of it runs on the same handful of metals, and on one country that figured out how to control them. It starts here, in the Mongolian desert, by an obo, the biggest pile of rare earths on the planet. But here's the thing, digging them up was never the hard part. The hard part is refining them. And China figured out, decades ago, that whoever controls the refining controls everything. So they took it, nearly 90% of it, and then it ships the finished stuff back out to the world. Europe's the biggest customer, 19%. Then the United States, 13%, South Korea, Japan, Vietnam, every advanced economy on Earth lining up for Chinese magnets. But here's where it gets interesting. China's grip, it doesn't stop at China. Take Myanmar. They mine the rarest, most valuable rare earths there are, and then they ship the raw ore straight across the border into China to get refined, and it flows right back into China's network. Same buyers, same control. Okay, but surely America's different, right? America mines its own. Mountain Pass, California. Here's the punchline. For years, that American ore got loaded onto ships, sent to China to be refined, and sent back as a finished product. America dug it out of the ground. China still controlled it. Same destinations, same dependency. You're starting to see the pattern. There's exactly one exception to all of this. Australia. Their ore goes to a refinery in Malaysia, the only big one outside of China. And Japan locked most of it up years ago because Japan saw this coming. They got burned once, and they swore, never again. Brazil just opened the first major mine outside Asia. Huge deal, right? Except every single gram is already promised to China through 2027. Mined in the Amazon, refined in China, sold to the world, same story. Russia keeps the whole thing in-house, mined in the Arctic, refined at home. But honestly, it's small, a rounding error in this game. So pull back, look at the whole map, and it becomes impossible to unsee. Almost every rare earth supply chain on the planet runs through one country, which means China doesn't just supply the future, they can switch it off. And that's the part that should keep you up at night.